Diving into the top car audio speakers that bring the bass, clarity, and power your ride deserves. From budget options to premium picks, we've got you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest car audio gear. At number 1 we have Boss Audio System CH6530 Car Door. Experience powerful sound on the road with the Boss Audio System CH6530 Chaos Series 6.5-inch car door speakers. These three-way, full-range coaxial speakers deliver an impressive 300 watts per pair, offering crisp highs, clear mids, and deep bass for a well-balanced audio experience. Mounting depth, 2.1 inches, mounting hole, 5.5 inches. Item weight, 1.3 pounds, pair. Frequency response, 100 Hz to 18 kHz. Poly injection cone, rubber surround, stamped basket, 11NCH voice coil design with a poly injection cone and rubber surround. They ensure durability and enhanced sound performance. The integrated piezoelectric tweeter handles high frequencies efficiently without the need for extra crossovers. Their standard 6.5-inch size makes them a perfect fit for most vehicle doors or rear decks, and the sleek red design from the Chaos series adds a bold visual touch to your car's interior. Whether you're upgrading your factory system or building a custom setup, the CH6530 speakers bring exceptional sound quality at a budget-friendly price. At number 2 we have Pioneer two-way component car audio speakers. The mid-range and tweeter drivers deliver uniform off-axis frequency response optimized for automotive applications where one or more speakers are often aimed away from the listener's ears. Maximum power handling of 370 watts and a continuous power handling of 85 watts, these speakers deliver dynamic sound. Crisp highs and deep lows ensure that you can experience a wide range of frequencies with clarity and accuracy. Receive a rich and immersive sound reproduction across different music genres. This car audio speaker contains a broad range of audio frequencies with a response range of 33 Hz to 58 kHz. The sensitivity rating of 91 decibels ensures that the speakers can produce clear and loud sound even with lower power inputs. This means you can enjoy your music without distortion, even at higher volume levels. Speakers offer easy installation with their simple mounting design. Included with the component system are 6/2 multi-fit installation adapters that expand flexibility and improve acoustic performance. At number 3 we have Kicker CS Series CSC68 6x8-inch car audio system speaker. The CS series delivers remarkable performance and ultra-clean bass, utilizing a heavy-duty motor/magnet structure with EVC, extended voice coil, for even deeper lows. By drastically reducing the mounting depth, CS series coaxial and three-way speakers will fit in nearly every make and model of vehicle on the road today. The perfect upgrade from your factory sound, a stamped steel framework supports a rigid polypropylene cone and zero protrusion pay tweeters. UV-treated polyfoam surround resists heat or direct sunlight. Neodymium tweeter magnets allow for increased volume and high frequencies. Superb woofer design provides an upgrade in sound from a dull factory speaker system. Phase plugs eliminate distortion for clarity and accuracy. Heavy-duty motor structures deliver remarkable bass response and smooth mid-range using sturdy cones, ribbed surrounds and extended voice coil technology. At number 4 we have JBL Car Audio Component Stereo Speaker System. JBL Premium 6.5-inch component speaker system, set of 2 JBL engineers designed the GTO609C component speaker to produce strong, clear sound from a head unit or amplifier capable of delivering up to 270 watts of power. This makes the GTO609C an ideal match to systems powered with head unit or factory amplifier power levels. Even better, the speaker matches many of the GTO series amplifier combinations. As a result, it can keep up with systems that feature one or more subwoofers and satisfy high-fidelity audiophile listeners. And its great power handling specifications also increase reliability over the lifetime of the speaker. The GTO609C's +1 carbon-injected cones provide more overall speaker cone area than other cones in its class. With an effective increase in cone area, the speaker radiates more air. Also, its carbon-injected cone material produces a lighter and stiffer cone. The result is a better low-frequency response and a greater ability to make those important musical notes that people often associate with larger speaker sizes. At number 5 we have Boss Audio System 656 BCK Car Stereo Package. Acquire a mix of functionality and simplicity with the 656 BCK and single DIN digital media receiver plus one pair of 6.5 speakers. The receiver is fully marinized, meaning weatherproof, to withstand the unpredictable weather that the sea has to offer. Bluetooth offers hands-free calling and the joy of music. With a built-in microphone, CD player, USB port, aux input, AM/FM receiver and wireless remote control, no option will be out of reach. The CK65 6.5 speakers are full range, two-way, and have a combined power of 250 watts per pair. USB port, USB charging, aux-in, front and rear preamp outputs, AM/FM receiver push-to-talk, switchable US and EU tuner frequencies. Speakers, two-way, foam surround, polypropylene cone, stamped basket, half-an-inch tweeter. 250 W, 4 negation ohms, frequency, 80 Hz to 18 kHz, system sensitivity 84 decibels.